Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip tribe. Today, how to enhance your Galax leaves. If you know me, if you've had classes with me, you know I love Galax leaves. They're one of my favorites. But sometimes the edges are not beautiful. They're damaged, there's a bug bite. To correct those, you want to find crafters pinking shears, the little tiny ones. Then you can just cut around the edge, removing it, and it looks good as new. So anytime you've got one that's maybe a little bit damaged, just going through, and that little miniature serration looks totally natural. A fun and easy tip for you, the floral professional.